Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Wednesday afternoon from the balcony above the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. I have myself a busy full week ahead, not just the end of this week, but the beginning of the week as well. You'll find out more as the days move on, but I will tell you this. I'm excited. I'm full of energy. Hope you guys are too. And the markets seem to be full of energy, at least when judging by yesterday's performance. The market's on the upside. The question now is, will the positive vibes, will the positivity carry over into this trading session? Let's now take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to start off the second trading session of the week, but also Hump Day, Wednesday, here on Wall Street. U.S. stocks are sliding Wednesday, putting the major averages on track to give up some of the previous session's strong gains. Those moves come as growing fears of an economic recession continue to weigh on investors. Fed Chair Jerome Powell will appear before Congress on Wednesday, kicking off 2 days of testimony where he is expected to speak on the central bank's plans to tamper down inflation, which has surged to 40-year highs. Last week, the Federal Reserve hiking interest rates by 0.75 of a percentage point, its largest rate increase since 1994, and energy taking a hit pre-market as oil dropped on recession fears, Brent crude dropping 5.6%, WTI declining 6.2%. Shares of Marathon Oil and ConocoPhillips dropping more than 5% in pre-market trade. Also, President Joe Biden expected to ask Congress to suspend federal gasoline and diesel taxes for 3 months. The effort is meant to ease pressures at the pump for consumers during an election year. Meanwhile, Wall Street banks raising their odds of a recession as investors deliberate whether the central bank can navigate a soft landing. Citigroup increasing its odds of a global recession to 50%. And Goldman Sachs believes a recession is becoming increasingly likely for the U.S. economy, saying the risks of a recession are highly and more front-loaded. And lastly, some advice: when it rains, it pours. Get yourself an umbrella.